Union Minister Prakash Javadekar said he thinks the worst is over as far as the coronavirus surge in India is concerned. He said India is doing much better than other countries and that following social distancing norms will be the new normal until the time that a vaccine is developed for COVID-19. 2 more trains for migrant workers have departed from Kerala today. The Indian Railways is running special trains to return stranded migrant workers to their homes. The Railways will charge for these passages. The fare includes the price of regular sleeper class tickets plus superfast charges of ₹30 and an additional charge of ₹20. This includes meals and drinking water for long distance trains. State governments can pay on the passengers' behalf, the ministry has clarified. According to reports, the United States government gave a grace period of 60 days to such H-1B visa holders and green card applicants who have been served notices for submission of various documents in view of the novel coronavirus outbreak. U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services will consider a response to some requests and notices received within 60 calendar days after the response due date before taking action. 7 daily wage labourers in Uttar Pradesh who recently returned from Maharashtra have tested positive for COVID-19. The labourers in eastern UP's Basti district were quarantined at a college after their return and now they've been shifted to a local hospital. The quarantine centre is being sanitised. All their contacts are being isolated. India has extended the nationwide lockdown by 2 more weeks till May 17th. The country recorded the biggest single-day jump of 2,293 coronavirus cases, taking the total to 37,336. The Health Ministry said that 1,218 deaths linked to the highly infectious COVID-19 have been reported so far. 71 deaths were reported in the last 24 hours. Even as infections soared in other parts of the country, Kerala did not report a single coronavirus case on Friday, nor did 10 other states and union territories. Some of these states have not reported fresh cases in several days. Chhattisgarh and Telangana have been adding numbers at a slow pace. Maharashtra reported 1,008 cases on Friday, which is a record jump for the state. Maharashtra was closely followed by Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and Delhi in reporting a high number of cases. The TV series Ramayan has set a world record by becoming the highest viewed entertainment program globally. The epic show was re-telecast on popular demand by the state broadcaster DD National in March. DD National said on April 16th, 7.7 crore people across the globe watched the show. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has made his first public appearance since speculation about his health began last month. He was photographed cutting the ribbon at the opening of a fertilizer factory. The photos were not immediately released. Also in attendance at the event were senior officials including his sister and close advisor Kim Yo-jong.